you like to pronounce your name?
Aisel.
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 Tama naman pala.
Yeah, but the English teacher ko would always say it's supposed to be Aisel. So it's AI. But my mom calls me Aisel.
Aisel.
Kaya Aisel po tayo.
So, tama.
Go.
Ayan. First and foremost, can you tell us a little bit more about your concert? How did it start? Yung conceptualizing, when yung sino ba nag-suggest sa inyo na it's time for you to have your own concert?
Well, after the second run of Rock of Ages, I thought of having a concert on my own lang to. Parang sabi ko, why not make it ng February since it's also my birthday. So, diniscuss with GMA Artist Center and they said yes. Until stages came. So I'm partly managed by Carlo Orosa now also. So mas napatatag yung plans that happened first week of December. So nung time na yon, doon namin na-conceptualize din. And yung guests then we had in mind, doon na rin namin we started calling. So we have a concert.
Napangiti ka sa guests.
Ako, yan na naman ba yung tanong mo?
Napangiti ka sa guests. Who are your guests in this concert?
Masaya ako sa guests ko because I will be with my nanay, Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid, with my ate, Kyla, with my friend, Gian Magdangal, and with an idol, with a theater icon, Miss Celeste Legaspi.
Oh, wow. So this is more or less gonna be like a selection of songs na medyo close sa'yo. Siguro parang medyo
Definitely.
musical type.
Well, there's part musical, there's also part of me who's Aisel, the singer. It masaya. Every prod number, I'm really looking forward to it.
Are we gonna expect also na magda-dance ka as well?
Then there's a bit of dancing, singing.
Okay, where is it gonna be held?
It will be happening Hotel 25. Peta Theater po yan.
Here.
Oo, malapit lang kung saan kami nag-Rock of Ages. So that's a Wednesday. People Power Day yun. Oo, di ba? So, sana walang traffic by that time.
Oo.
So, you can come.
Sure. Makakarinig ba kami ng mga songs from your popular musical Rock of Ages sa concert mo?
Surprise yan!
Isa
Surprise yan.
Pinapatanong lang, gaano close ang guests mo sa'yo?
Sa iba-ibang levels yun eh. May nanay, may ate, may kaibigan, may idol. So, iba-iba. But really, they play very important roles in my life. That's why they're there. Actually, napakarami ko pang gustong i-gift. Kasi siguro sa susunod na lang kung magkaroon ulit ng pagkakataon.
What